Good morning to all. Now we will see Einstein's coefficient for atomic transitions in laser. In this, we will find the relationship between absorption and emission coefficient in laser beam. For that, we have to know what is Einstein's theory of quantum radiation. Now, let us consider a photon which interacts with the atoms. That atoms go to the excited level from excited state, which is produced due to stimulated emission in addition to spontaneous emission. Here E1 and E2 are ground and excited state energy levels, and N1 and N2 are number of atoms in the ground state and number of atoms in the excited state. When a material is exposed to light, there are two different properties happens. One is absorption, other one is emission. In case of emission, there is a subdivision, spontaneous and stimulated emission. First we will see what is absorption. Here an atom in the ground state which absorbs the energy h nu and goes to the excited level. This process is called absorption, where this is directly proportional to density and number of atoms in the ground state. That is denoted as RAB is equal to B12 rho n1, where B12 is Einstein's coefficient of absorption. Now we will move on to emission. The emission is a process where the excited state is unstable. So the atoms in the excited state return to ground state by quickly following these two mechanisms. One is spontaneous emission, other one is stimulated emission. Spontaneous emission, it is happening without the absorption of any external force, any external energy h nu. This is called spontaneous emission. Here in this image we can see without any absorption of energy, the atoms are ejected out from from excited state to ground state with the energy h nu. This is denoted as RSP, spontaneous emission, is equal to A21N2, where A21 is Einstein's coefficient of spontaneous emission. Now we will move on to stimulated emission. The atom in the excited state returns to ground state with the help of external triggering. This process is called stimulated emission. In this image we can see the electrons absorb some amount of energy, that is h nu, and it stimulated from the higher energy level to lower energy level, and this is directly proportional to density and number of atoms in the ground state. So R stimulated is equal to B21 rho n2, where B21 is Einstein's coefficient of stimulated emission. At equilibrium position, rate of absorption is equal to rate of emission, where rate of absorption is equal to B12 rho n1, where rate of emission is the addition of spontaneous and stimulated emission. So adding these two values will get rate of emission. So by combining and simplifying we get rho is equal to A21 N2 divided by B12 N1 minus B21 N2. Here all the terms are divided by N2, so we are getting rho is equal to A21 divided by B12 N1 by N2 minus B21. Here we are getting the rho equation, that is density equation, is equal to A21 divided by B12 N1 by N2 minus B21. Here we are going to substitute some simplifications for N1 and N2 from Boltzmann distribution law. That is, number of atoms in the energy level is equal to N is equal to N0 exponential minus E by kBT. Here we can write N1 and N2 for ground state and excited state number of atoms level. So N1 is equal to N0 exponential minus E1 by kBT. N2 is equal to N0 exponential minus E2 by kBT. We are supposed to find what is N1 by N2. So divide these two equations, we get N1 by N2 is equal to exponential of E2 minus E1 by kBT. Here this is our equation number 5, that is N1 by N2 is equal to exponential of h nu by kBT, where E2 minus E1 is energy gap, that is h nu. So we can substitute the n1 by n2 value in the foremost expression, that is rho is equal to A21 divided by B12 exponential h nu by kBt minus B21. Here we are going to simplify this equation. So we are getting rho is equal to A21 by B21 1 divided by B12 by B21 exponential of h nu by kBt minus 1. With respect to our Planck's radiation law, we can simplify the above equation, that is sixth equation, in terms of frequency as rho is equal to 8 pi h nu cube divided by c cube 1 divided by exponential h nu by kBt minus 1. These equations, compare this equation 6 and 7, we get the both LHS are equal, so we can equate the RHS. So we get A21 by B21 is equal to 8 pi h nu cube divided by c cube. Here B12 and B21 is equal to 1 because the absorption and spontaneous emission is same as that in the case of lasers. So we can write B12 is equal to B21. Substitute this equation number 8 and 9 in the above equation we get, and simplify it, we get B21 by A21 is equal to 1 divided by exponential of h nu by kBt. Here we are getting R is equal to B21 by A21 into rho. This gives the ratio of spontaneous emission rate to stimulated emission rate, which gives the relationship between absorption and emission radiations. In this we have seen what is Einstein coefficient, what are the mechanisms in Einstein coefficient, and what are the relationship between the Einstein's coefficient, that is B12 and A21, B21 and A21. Thank you.